Welcome on board. You are in the SLA Time and Report configurator. My name is Julia and I'm here to show you how it all works. We believe SLA is essential for the business to improve customer experience, so we offer you a flexible tool with a wide range of settings. First of all, the system allows you to set two types of configs. The first is based on time limits, the second one on issue date fields. Let's select time limits. Here is the field to name your setting. It can be time to resolution, for example. Choose the project for which you want to monitor issues from the project selector. All project types can be used. Set the schedule that your team uses to work on issues within this project to ensure everything is measured precisely. The main part of the setting is the selection of time measurement conditions for start, pause, and stop SLA timer. All issue fields such as status, priority, issue type, and assignee can be selected for conditions in these three timer stages. Think about the event you'd like to add as a trigger to start your SLA. It can be status or issue assignment, or even both of these actions. Then select the event to stop SLA and make sure it represents what you are committed to. You can apply the pause condition if the process has some expected delays, and all parties understand that this should not be considered. As an example, use the on hold status. Next, you can set conditions for the SLA reset. You can apply it for some event to reset the entire calculation. It can be a priority change when the team realizes that the issue isn't as critical as it seemed before. Moving forward, you can see the multi-cycle option. It is active by default. So, you'll get the sum of all cycle duration between origins and statuses. No time will be skipped. If your customer finds additional problems with the request, a timer will continue ticking. Deactivate this option if only the first start and stop round matters. Finally, we came to the SLA goal setting. You can set a time limit for each SLA configuration and choose the automated action for exceeded issues. Use such escalation options as notification, change in assignee, status, or priority to raise more attention to issues with SLA breaches. Toggle here helps you to synchronize SLA status and target date with issue custom fields. So, it will be possible to utilize the GQL, API, or gadgets to play with issue under SLAs. You can get more info in the documentation. Here we are. Hope this video will help you make your first SLA config and improve your team efficiency to skyrocket results. You are welcome to start a free trial on SLA Time and Report at the Atlassian Marketplace. Follow the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.